Hi, I'm trying to install Joomla 4 first time, and I'm trying to record the installation process. So before we start, we need to download the Joomla 4 Alpha1 release. That is the latest Joomla 4 release at this time. So you can search in Google Joomla 4 download, and you will see the link. Just go here and download from here. We can download the source code, this version zip file, and I already have it downloaded in Joomla 4 folder and uncompressed. So and just here, and I have a database, and with the basic download package we can see two languages. One is English United Kingdom and another is English United States, and I just put the name of the test site. Okay, let's click and set the username. By the way, this data is showing because I gave another try before this video, so this is already saved in my installation. Okay, fine. So let's move forward. I gave wrong information here last time. Okay, everything is fine. So here we are giving the database configuration. My database type is MySQLi. Localhost is the host name, database root username, or username for the database I already created. As I'm trying in localhost, I'm trying the root user password. That's my database name, and that's the table prefix I want for the installation. Okay, now we're seeing something is happening in the backend. Okay, let's wait. Is it taking too much time? I think no, because Joomla has almost 64 or such tables. Yeah, that's ready. So we're seeing the fast screen for the installation process. Language, before going to your site, you have chance to pre-configure some features. Okay, we'll try that. And okay, I want to delete the installation folder, so let's try to customize the installation. I can try the Bengali language package. Okay, insert sample data and try to okay. So I already have the two steps, and I'll check it to delete the installation folder on complete and open admin panel. Okay, so this is the login screen of Joomla 4. I think this is more clean from Joomla 3. Wow, this is great. So this is first time I am seeing the Joomla admin panel, and it's great. So let's try to explore a few options, like let's go to global configuration. Okay, never. Okay, so this is more neat and clean, I think, from the version 3. And as I heard, Joomla 4 is using Bootstrap 4, so we can see the Bootstrap 4 UI at the backend at this time. And by default, Joomla now has the search independent URLs on, so this is great. I can save it. And you can see at this moment the admin top menu is at the left side. So this is more like the WordPress or the common fashion for, at this time, common trend. And we can show height or make the left menu panel small or large as we need. I mean wide or non-wide version. Okay. So this is all the component we have at this moment, like model manager. This is menu manager. Okay, this is media manager. I'm also excited, and I'm also trying to explore all the new features. And as I'm trying first time, so the admin panel is really new to me. I heard the new media manager is powered by Vue.js, and okay, let me try to create test folder. So this is the test folder. Okay, that's great. Let's try to explore the article manager. I see warning. Maybe this is alpha version, so there may be bugs, but we can ignore that at this time. I'm just trying to explore the how the new editor, or if there is any changes for the editor options. This is looking good and more visually okay to understand that this is an image or media field or something like that. And these are the options, and this is the media manager connected with the image field. Okay, good thing is last time I was exploring the test folder, and when I clicked the image and it opened the test folder, you see. Okay, let's explore the extensions like plugins. We have everything. So most things are like as we saw before, but the backend UI are latest. We can see the new template, and what is the for the okay, the atom is for the admin template and front end. By the way, I think we forgot to explore the front end, so let's try to export the front end. Wow. You can see all the module position on the front end. So this left positions, and this front end template is also powered by Bootstrap 4, if I'm not wrong. So this is another adaptation with the new technology or latest technology that we saw Joomla was slow to adapt at past, and this is really exciting.